today, let's start with chapter number 9, the throne of justice. King Vikramaditya, it is said, was strong and brave king, but more importantly, वो बहुत वाइज भी थे. भाई ग्रेट थे और स्ट्रॉन्ग भी थे, उसके साथ साथ वो बहुत वाइज किंग भी थे. He knew that the true greatness of a king lay in making people happy and winning their trust. उसको ये लगता था कि जो ट्रू ग्रेटनेस है वो किंग की, वो किसमें है, लोगों को खुश रखना, हैप्पी करना और उनके ट्रस्ट को जीतना. A kingdom could be called prosperous when its people too were prosperous. Above all, he knew that people would be happy if there was justice in the land. उनको ये लगता था कि लोग बहुत खुश होंगे अगर आपके लैंड में क्या है, जस्टिस. He took a great trouble to resolve people conflict. His judgment were always fair and his punishment were never inhuman. तो उसकी जजमेंट्स थी वो हमेशा फेयर होती थी और जो उसकी पनिशमेंट थी वो कभी इनह्यूमन नहीं होती थी. King Vikramaditya was supposed to have ruled in the city of Ujjain, which now lies in the ruins and is covered by green grass. और the story begins in a village. वो रूल करता था सिटी में. उज्जैन की जो सिटी थी और वो कहाँ लाया करते थे, इन द ruins, and it was covered with green grass. और आपकी स्टोरी शुरू होती है. The village had an open space and in it there was a row of stones arranged in a certain way. At one end there was raised mound which looked like throne and the smaller stones जो आपके arranged थे round it. Our children from the village would bring their cows to graze on the grass and they noticed the stones. They saw a large mound and the way the stones were arranged. And one of them shouted, "It looks like a king's judgment." Another boy quickly invented a game to fit the situation. "Let's play having a trial." हम खेलते हैं trials के साथ. He suggested, "I will sit on the mound and the judge will solve your quarrels." The children liked the idea and began to make up quarrels at once. They described their problem to the judge. The other boys laughed and shouted during the game, but the boys जो sit कर रहे थे, judgment seat was solemn, and he took stories seriously and he listened to them attentively. His judgment were usually very fair. The boys excited returned in the beginning and told their parents what happened. वो अपने parents को जाके बताते कि क्या हुआ था. At the first, the parents were assumed, but as the days went, they were surprised the boy's wisdom. It was beyond his years. His judgment seemed to be more just than those of elders. कि judgment इतने यूजफुल थे जैसे आपके elders की होती थी. There was also something magical about the mound. कुछ magical भी था. तो जो boys थे, they were cowherd and playful as other children. But when he sat on the mound, he began thoughtful and spoke wisely. वो बहुत thoughtful हो गया, वो wisely बोलता है. Soon the king heard about the boy. He vendered his famous throne of King Vikramaditya, laid buried under the mound, जिस पे boy बैठा था, and he was a judge. If the throne could help a cowherd make wise decision, it would certainly help me to become a better king. और मुझे help करेगा एक better king बनने में. Not long after this, the king men turned up on the ground under the stone. इनको एक magnificent black marble throne मिली, which was supported 24 carvings of the shape of mythical bird. This was intended the throne of Vikramaditya. Now it was lifted and taken carefully to the king's audience room. It was cleaned and polished. A day was chosen on which king would sit on the throne of Vikramaditya और उनके conflict को क्या करेगा, solve करेगा. Now crowds gathered in the place of chosen day. The king stood before the throne and prayed. Then he approached the throne. Just he was about to seat himself on it, जो गरुदास थे वो move कर दिए अपने wings को, and the voice clear and loud addressed the king. "Wait," said the Garuda. और गरुड़ा क्या कहते हैं? Wait. Before you seat yourself on the throne, ask yourself if you deserve this honor. पहले अपने आप से पूछ लो कि क्या तुम इस honor को deserve करते हो. Only the pure in heart can sit on this throne. When the Garuda asked him question, "Have you ever been unjust and cruel?" कभी तुम unjust और cruel हुए हो? क्योंकि इस throne पे वही बैठ सकता है जिसका heart कैसा है, pure, clean है. The king stopped. There was a silence in the hall. He said slowly, "I know I don't deserve this seat to throne. And there have many times when I have been both unjust or cruel. मैं unjust भी रहा हूँ और cruel भी रहा हूँ. So I shall pray and fast for 3 days and then return to this hall." अब मैं pray करूँगा, 3 दिन का fast रखूँगा और दोबारा से इस hall में return करूँगा. After 3 days of prayer, the king felt that he had paid for this past misdeeds and now ready for honor and sitting of Vikramaditya's throne. Once again, just as the king was about to sit, another Garuda moved his wings and said same thing. उसमें भी same चीज कही, and the king courage failed him again. He knew that he was not still ready. He would fast and pray for 3 more days. दोबारा से उसने कहा हाँ मैं बच्चे में 3 दिन पिए दोबारा से क्या करूँगा फास्ट होगा. Now 3 days later the same thing happened. It happened 23 times. और 23 बार हुआ ऐसा. At last there was only one Garuda left. The people who had assembled were worried and said, King himself had an amused expression on his face as he stood in front of four and accepted 24th Garuda fluttered his wing and spoke. But this time, the words they were different. Again, did you not understand why he asked the question? It said, I don't reply the king. I did understand only the young cowherd was permitted to sit on the throne of Vikramaditya. Only he received the wisdom of the ancient king because he had never been unjust or cruel. वो कभी unjust or cruel रहा ही नहीं. As he spoke, there was loud rustling sound suddenly to the great astonishment, and the large black marble throne rose in the air and flew out with Garudas holding it, and the crowds had they watched amazed. Now the king went to the space where the throne of Vikramaditya stood. Many people he had voiced there but said, you have all seen the happening of last week, and you have all heard the question and replies to them. The Garuda does not allow him to sit on the throne. I was not worthy to do so. ऐसा नहीं करना चाहता था because of my fault, but I learned something from Garuda. लेकिन मैंने कुछ सीखा, ठीक है? And something that has changed my life. Lesson I learned is this: just sitting on Vikramaditya's throne and wise and just ruler. I should be wise and just in everything all the time. And with this, the king moved very slowly. And once again, the judgment he Vikramaditya ki has been wise to what he achieved. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.